Traders, I discovered a scalping strategy that, when tested on the Bitcoin 1-minute time frame, produced a win ratio of nearly 70% and made over 600% in profit in just 1 week. I'll give you a thorough explanation of how to create this incredible indicator setup and how to place trades in this brief video. Before I begin, I would appreciate a like for this video and a subscription to Trading Factory for more content just like it in the future. The technique I'm about to share with you in this video works well for scalping cryptocurrencies, stocks, and forex in short time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Most importantly, it is simple to comprehend and contains few rules. At the conclusion of this video, I'll show you how to construct this indicator setup, but for now, let's explore how these magical indicators function. The strategy is ideal for those of you who have a free TradingView plan because it includes 3 free TradingView indicators and a volume tool that is not considered to be a distinct indicator. I'd like to talk about this purchase and sell script as the very first indicator. The tool's objective is to identify the most precise trading signals based on price momentum. It is built on the Vomanchu indicator. This implies that if the other criteria are not satisfied when we receive a buy or sell signal, the signal is cancelled. We will use this indicator for the first confirmation. An extended exponential moving average is the second sign that is displayed on the chart. It is also known as an exponentially weighted moving average. An exponential moving average is a form of moving average that gives the most recent data points more importance and weight. A simple moving average, which gives equal weight to all observations over the time, responds less strongly to recent price shifts than an exponentially weighted moving average. When price is above the line, purchasing signals are your best bets. When price is closed below the moving average, only look for selling chances. This tool is used as a baseline that filters the trend. A modified version of the well-known relative strength indicator, or RSI, developed by John Fellers, is the third indicator I use in this approach. It is known as the Laguerre RSI. In order to produce a more responsive technical indicator with fewer whipsaws, the Laguerre RSI eliminates lag and reduces noise. Specifically, the Laguerre filter employs an EMA that is smoothed with a damping factor, and the Laguerre RSI applies a smoothing filter in a similar manner. The indicator has an 80 and 20 upper and lower level, as well as a blue line. The blue line is usually above the 80 mark when the price is overbought, while when the market is oversold, the line is below 20. The primary tenet of this strategy is to buy when an uptrend is confirmed. However, we use the Laguerre RSI indicator to make sure that we aren't buying at the top, and we need to check the volume level before placing the transaction in order to confirm momentum. Consequently, the buy trade's terms will be as follows. First, a buy signal must appear on the chart. You must wait for a candlestick to close before acting on the signal. Second, the price bar must be completely above the EMA at the time the signal is issued. And third, the Laguerre RSI must be oversold. Once these criteria have been satisfied, look at the volume. It must be bullish and higher than the most recent bearish volume. If there is a bullish sentiment, you can safely initiate a long trade and place your stop loss at the most recent swing low. You can compare them by looking at the numbers at the top. Aim for a 2 times risk, but be sure to set the stop loss at the break-even point as soon as you have earned half of your reward. Let's look at one more example. The price moved abruptly to the upside, and then there was a pullback. Many traders closed their positions at this price, resulting in the decline, but the price is still above the moving average, suggesting that the trend is still ongoing. Traders, you are guaranteed success if you adhere to the rules and carry out the transaction as I just demonstrated. Now let's understand the short positions. First, there must be a sell signal printed on the chart. Second, the price bar must be fully below the exponential moving average. Third, the Laguerre RSI must be overbought. Lastly, check the volume level if you have it. The bar must be red, which indicates selling pressure. It also needs to be greater than the most recent bullish bar. Place a sell order at the beginning of the following candle after verifying the volume and that the conditions are satisfied, and put the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Make sure to change the stop loss to the break-even level once the price has gotten halfway to the profit target, which should be set at 2 times the risk. Traders, now that I trust the guidelines are clear, let me show you how to build this setup step by step. First, sign up for Exchanging View and open the charts. Go to the Indicators section, enter Vomancha Swing Free, choose this indicator, made by Jazal, go to the Indicator settings, and change the swing multiplier to 2.5. Finally, go to the Style section, open it, and uncheck everything but the buy and sell labels. The exponential moving average with a length of 200 will be added as the next indicator, and its hue will be changed to white. Add the Laguerre RSI as the third gauge, select Kivanchas Biljac's version. Finally, if you can, open the Indicators tab one more time and look for volume before selecting the volume tool. To alter the colors for these bands, open its settings and go to the Style section. The preparation is complete at this point. Okay, so now that you know the trading setup, let's actually do our backtest on a 1-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.